Today, we're diving into easy, effective ways to fight back against fatty liver disease, even if it's not caused by alcohol. This isn't just for people with liver problems. These tips can help anyone boost their liver health. Let's start with a quick look at what fatty liver disease does to your body and why it's important to take care of your liver. Remember, your liver is your body's superhero working hard behind the scenes. I talked more about this in my previous video about how to detect liver disease. You can check it out on my channel. We'll break down how it gets sick and how you can help it heal. For a deep dive into the disease itself. If you are new to my channel, I am V, and welcome to the best health channel on YouTube where we talk about everything about health. Fatty liver disease is a condition where excess fat accumulates in liver cells. It's mainly of two types: alcoholic fatty liver disease, AFLD, caused by excessive alcohol consumption, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, often associated with obesity, diabetes, high blood fats, and cholesterol levels. Key factors in its development include excess calorie intake, insulin resistance, oxidative stress, inflammation, genetic predispositions, and hormonal imbalances. The disease progresses from simple fatty liver, steatosis, to more severe stages like non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, fibrosis, and ultimately cirrhosis, which significantly impairs liver function. Early-stage fatty liver disease is often reversible with lifestyle modifications such as diet changes, exercise, and avoiding alcohol. Regular medical checkups are important for managing the condition effectively. I will explain how you can medical treat or revert it and how exercises and diets can help too, so keep watching. Medical ways to treat and reverse fatty liver disease. Lose weight slowly but surely. Losing about 10% of your weight can do wonders. But do it slowly. Aim to lose about half a kilo to 1 kilo per week. Rushing weight loss can actually hurt your liver more. Say no to alcohol. Alcohol can make liver damage worse. Best to avoid it completely if you can. Medication and supplements. Insulin sensitizers. Medications like metformin, used primarily for type 2 diabetes, can help reduce liver fat. The little things that make a big difference: coffee and vitamin E. Coffee lovers, rejoice! Drinking about 3 cups of coffee each day might help your liver fight disease, but remember, coffee can be dangerous in some diseases, so consult with your doctor first. Vitamin E, your liver's friend. If your liver's inflamed, vitamin E, around 800 units daily, can be a big help. It's like a shield against damage. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant and may improve liver function by reducing inflammation and damage in non-diabetic patients. And don't forget about vitamin D. It's not clear how much it helps, but a daily dose, around 800 IU, might protect your liver, especially if you're low on vitamin D. Omega-3 fatty acids. Supplements like fish oil can help reduce liver fat and inflammation. Ursodeoxycholic acid. This bile acid is sometimes used to treat cholestasis, a condition where bile flow from the liver is reduced. Managing underlying conditions. Proper management of conditions like diabetes, high cholesterol, and hypertension can indirectly improve liver health. Avoiding harmful substances. Abstaining from alcohol and avoiding medications known to cause liver damage, such as excessive acetaminophen, is important. Regular medical checkups. Monitoring liver health through regular blood tests, imaging studies, and physical examinations is key in managing and reversing the disease. Surgical interventions. In severe cases, bariatric surgery may be considered to help with significant weight loss, thereby reducing liver fat. Now, time for diets. What can you eat, or what diet can you start to help you manage this disease? The Mediterranean way. Eat right, feel bright. I've got a whole lesson on liver-friendly diets, but one standout is the Mediterranean diet. It's full of good stuff like fruits, veggies, nuts, and fish. Less red meat, more health. Potassium power. Low potassium can be bad news for your liver. Get more from foods like bananas, kiwi, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. Low-carb diet. Reducing carbohydrate intake, especially refined carbs, can help decrease liver fat. High-fiber diet. Fiber-rich foods like legumes, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables can improve liver health. Plant-based diet. Emphasizing plant-based foods while reducing red meat intake can be beneficial. DASH diet. Originally developed for blood pressure control, this diet is also good for liver health. It focuses on vegetables, fruits and whole grains. Balanced caloric deficit diet. Consuming fewer calories than your body needs, focusing on nutrient-rich foods, can aid in weight loss and reduce liver fat. Choline, the secret weapon. Choline matters. This nutrient is super important for stopping fatty liver disease. You can find it in veggies, fish, and eggs. It's a big part of keeping your liver in shape. Exercises to reverse fatty liver disease. Even some overlooked simple exercises can help you in ways you can never imagine. Aerobic exercise. Walking. Simple, effective, and can be done by most people. Running or jogging. Excellent for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. Cycling. Both stationary and outdoor cycling are beneficial for liver health. Resistance training. Weightlifting helps in building muscle mass, improving metabolism, and reducing liver fat. Bodyweight exercises. Push-ups, squats, and lunges are good options for those without gym access. Yoga and stretching. While not as intense as aerobic or resistance exercises, yoga helps in reducing stress, which is beneficial for overall health including the liver. Swimming. Provides a full body workout and is gentle on the joints. High-intensity interval training. HIIT. Short bursts of high-intensity exercise followed by rest periods. Effective in improving liver health and overall fitness. Pilates. Focuses on core strength, flexibility, and overall body awareness, contributing to weight management and liver health. Incorporating these medical treatments, dietary changes, and exercises into your routine can significantly impact the management and reversal of fatty liver disease. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment or exercise regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. As I always say, be kind to your body so that it can be kind to you. Healthy diets and even simple exercises can go a long way. Thank you for tuning in today and watching to this extent, and if you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe to support. Also, if you feel any information I have provided is wrong, please write it in the comment section or send me an email. I am human and can make mistakes, but be sure that my videos are well researched to be as accurate as possible. Wishing you a very beautiful day and healthy life. See you in my next video.